ImaginXP, India's leading user experience design and design thinking organization.
Basic objective of this company, ImaginXP, is to give quality training in the field of user experience design.
Today, there is a huge demand of almost 1 lakh user experience designers in the industry. But unfortunately, we do not have the workforce who can actually match this demand. We at ImaginXP are trying to bridge this gap.
Herein we are running various professional degree and diploma courses such as Bachelor of Design, Postgraduate Diploma and other integrated courses. The curriculum for these courses is being approved by the Board of Studies of the respective universities, and that is as per the norms of UGC.
We have designed the contents of our course, the curricula of our course in consultation with experts from NIT, IIT and practitioners in industry in the area of user experience. We give them more emphasis on industrial training, working on live project, which enhances the confidence level of the students.
All these activities, projects, assignments, lectures are keenly designed, keeping industry trends and requirements in mind. And all this happens by industry experts.
Our aim is to make you an amazing user experience designer who can actually lead innovation in technology and product companies. Today, on an average, UX designers are earning 30% more than a software engineer. As a user experience designer, you will get some great opportunities to work in India and outside. You will be working with the likes of Google and the Facebooks of the world. So why waste this opportunity? We have industry-led curriculum that is being taught by industry experts, which helps you get good placement and give you a bright career.
And I am happy to tell you that I have myself interacted with the students undergoing courses at DIT Dehradun, bachelor courses, master's courses at Chitkara University, diploma courses at SPIT Bombay, and further executive diploma courses at Symbiosis Institute of Technology. They all are doing exemplary well, and our feedback is outstanding.
ImaginXP, India's leading user experience design and design thinking organization. 50 plus corporate partnerships, 150 plus design workshops, 13 plus centers, 15,000 plus students certified, 1,000 plus hours of video content, 80,000 plus ImaginXP community members.
Our reputed partners, CIID, NASSCOM Design for India, Simply Learn, Interaction Design Foundation, and FICCI. We run our Masters and Bachelor's program in Chitkara University, SPIT Mumbai, Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, and DIT University.